Hi, my name is CJ and I'm going to show you how to couple your rods. Before you begin, make sure that your posts and handrails are firmly mounted, all your rods are cut, and that one side of your rods have been attached. We have added an extra post in to show you how this works. We provide most of the tools needed for this installation. The only thing you'll need to provide is painter's tape and a Sharpie. Step 1. Choosing the location. The most important part of using the rod coupler is choosing the location. We want to make sure it is hidden inside of a post so that the crimp is not exposed. So once you have one end of your rods run, make sure it is pulled tight with the tension receiver seated fully against the post. Then, identify the last post the rod exits out of. Put the painter's tape onto the rod at the edge of the post. Then, pull the rod out of the post and using your Sharpie, mark the rod at 1 inch from the tape. Step 2. Cutting. Using the angle grinder, cut the rod at the mark you just made. Step 3. Crimping. Take the freshly cut rod and insert the coupler. Using the provided crimper, crimp the coupler onto the rod. To get the best attachment, you will want to crimp twice onto the section of the coupler shown here. Then, put your next rod onto the other end of the coupler and repeat. That's all you have to do to install your rod coupler. Be sure to check out our other videos to see how to install the rest of your signature rod railing system. You can see all of our videos at youtube.com/viewrail or on our website at viewrail.com.